Imagine being able to change the style, character, and setting of your video after it's been filmed. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Luma AI's new modified video feature might just make that a reality. I'm Jay Haynes of the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Luma AI's modified video feature provides extensive video editing capabilities where content creators like yourself can modify a video with director-grade control after you've filmed it. You'll have an increased level of creative control over things like style, character, and setting. Your editing and production workflows will be streamlined as efficiently as possible because you'll be able to maintain the original motion and performance while at the same time modifying other elements in the shot. These benefits will help content creators like yourself work more efficiently, allowing you to save resources and still achieve your desired outcomes. Are you planning on using Luma AI's new modified video feature? What do you think the impact on our industry will be? Will it revolutionize content creation, or will it have a negative impact? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you interested in AI video technology? If so, do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching.